A new virus that causes infectious disease called coronavirus is spreading around the world. In order to stay safe, we need to avoid 3C, corresponding to the prevention guidelines made by WHO. 3C stands for crowded places, confined space, and close conversation. At the same time, we should practice 3W, which stands for wash, wear, and warn, as a new norm in our daily life. Thus, hand sanitizer, wipes, and face masks are compulsory for us to bring and use anywhere and anytime. However, since we are still adjusting in this new norm, we often forget to bring them or accidentally lose it. It causes frustration because we need to buy it again. This scenario happens both on adults and children. I started to wonder how to avoid this problem from happening. Is there any pouch that can fit hand sanitizer, wipes, and face mask together?
Aha! Back to school hygiene kit can solve all the problems.
Our group has come up with 2 designs. First design is suitable for adults because it is very laid back that can easily be carried out and also very space efficient, which does not require much area to be put in a handbag. Second design is suitable for kids as it is very sturdy and has larger space compartment with easy to carry handles. Perfect for everyday use in school.
Back to school hygiene kit is a carton case with 2 compartments. This hygiene kit has a flip cover lid on the outside for trouble-free wet tissue withdrawal and 2 pockets for hand sanitizer. The zipper on top provides for easy opening and closing. How this product works? This product is designed with 2 compartments. The first compartment is built-in plastic case for moisture-preserved wet tissue. The zipper on top provides easy opening and closing to refill the wet tissue. The consumer can easily pull out wet tissue by flipping the cover lid. The second compartment has a sufficient space for up to 14 days usage of mask. Consumer can easily pull out the face mask from the zipper on top of the case. This hygiene kit is also equipped with handle for hassle-free carrier. Wet tissue and face mask can be refilled weekly. This can help the environment in order to reduce the single usage of plastic by purchasing wet tissue and face mask in bulk. This product was made with a low-cost material that will last a long time because our goal is to deliver high-quality products at reasonable price. We believe that the majority of consumers will be able to afford this product and will be satisfied with it.
keadaan COVID-19 ini, back to school hygiene ini sangat mudah untuk dibawa ke sekolah.
Okay, ini senang untuk budak-budak guna macam anak kita nak pergi sekolah ke kan. So kalau kita just open this and then kita pop this, kita tarik. Mudah kan? So ini mudahlah untuk anak-anak kita nak letak meja kat sekolah, kerusi nak guna sekarang kan. Perlu kan bawa ke sekolah. So yang dekat sini pula poket dia. Senang juga budak-budak untuk letak sanitizer, senang nak capai. Just ambil pull this then spray dekat tangan. Macam tu dan gosok. Okay? So cuba.
Hai, saya suka produk ini. Saya suka bahagian tempat mask ni. Bahagian mask untuk anak saya simpan dalam sini. Sebab takut letak merata dan takut hilang. Sebab anak saya makan tu hilang mask dia. So, ada jebek ni boleh simpan sebanyak hari.
Suka produk ni sebab dia boleh refill tisu basah dan mask bila dah habis. Okey.
Makcik dapat produk ni lah daripada anak jiran makcik. Dia suruh pakcik review lah benda ni kan. Lepas tu kalau dah habis macam boleh refill. Lepas tu kat mana nak ambil tisu basah tu, tak payah kena buka. Kita kena buka ni je, buka je. Tarik macam biasa, tarik je macam biasa kita guna tisu basah selama ni kan. Bijak lah dia boleh letak dekat beg ni. Macam mana makcik tak tahu macam mana dia letak. Pakcik rasa benda ni macam sesuai lah. Lepas pagi pergi sekolah tu dia boleh pakai hak baru ni. So makcik suka lah produk ni.